I dash to the gym every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Gone. The manager asked me to dash the report by 5 p.m. A. Submit. B. Give. C. Send. They dashed dinner when I arrived. A. Are having. B. Had. C. Were having. I dash him since we were kids. A. Know. B. Knew. C. Have known. She dash a beautiful dress for the party. A. Wears. B. Wear. C. Wore. He's a dash student than me. A. Better. B. Best. C. More good. The weather is too dash to go out today. A. Hot. B. Cold. C. Warm. The opposite of happy is dash. A. Sad. B. Joy. C. Cheerful. She dash like to swim in the pool. A. Do. B. Did. C. Does. If it dash tomorrow, we'll go hiking. A. Rains. B. Will rain. C. Rained. I dash breakfast every morning. A. Eat. B. Eats. C. Ate. They dash gone when I called. A. Have. B. Were. C. Had. The opposite of easy is dash. A. Hard. B. Soft. C. Light. He dashed to work every day by car. A. Go. B. Went. C. Goes. I dash my keys somewhere in the room. A. Lost. B. Have lost. C. lose. If I dash earlier, I would have caught the bus. A. Leave B. Had left. C. Leaves. She dash a book at the library when I saw her. A. Reads. B. Is reading. C. Was reading. They dash in this neighborhood for 10 years. A. Lived. B. Are living. C. Have lived. I dash my homework already. A. Do. B. Have done. C. Does. We dash a meeting tomorrow at 9 a.m. HHA. Have B. Will have C. Having. The book dash on the table is mine. A. Lying. B. Lies. C. Laid. The opposite of hot is dash. A. Warm. B. Cold. C. Frozen. I dashed my car last week. A. Sold. B. Sell. C. Selling. We dash go to the park if it stops raining. A. Can be. Would. C. Will. They dashed to the movie last night. A. Went. B. Go see. Will go. I dash to the store after work. A. Goes. B. Going. C. Went. She dashed late to the party yesterday. A. Is B. Was C. Were. We dash visit the museum this weekend. A. Would be. Will. C. Shall. It's dash raining outside. A. Always. B. Sometimes. C. Never. It's dash raining outside. A, always. B, sometimes. C, never. She dash for the exam right now. A, study. B, study. C, is studying. I dash my keys in the car. A, forgot. B, have forgotten. C, forget. We dash to the beach next summer. A goes. B, go. C, are going. The movie was so boring that I fell asleep. A, exciting. B, boring. C, fun. The opposite of near is dash. A, close. B, far. C, near. She dash not attending the meeting. A is. B isn't. C, was. They dashed the movie yesterday. A, watched. B, watch. C, will watch. I dash my friend's book. A, borrow. B, borrowed. C, will borrow. We dash speak English fluently. A, can. Be, could. C, may. The opposite of light is dash. A, heavy. B, dark. C, thin. She dash him the keys when he asked. A, gives. B, gave. C, giving. I dash a letter tomorrow. A, will send. B, sent. C, send. I always dash to the gym after work. A, going. B, go. C, went. He dash his homework by 7 p.m. A, finished. B, finishes. C, will finish. It dash raining right now. A is B, was C, will. The opposite of slow is dash. A, fast. B, quick. C, rapid. I dash to the doctor next week. A will go. B went C. Am going. The coffee is too dash to drink. A, cold. B, warm. C, hot. She dash a very nice person. A is B, was C B. I dash the book already. A have read. B, read. C, will read.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.